This was a $22 thing we got last year to hold our tree up, and this year I guess it decided to kick the bucket, and now our tree fell with all the ornaments. And so to remedy this, I'm going to, number one, do a much better job getting a straight cut than the guy did at the place. So straight's looking like that. This thing's angled this way. And then also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a 2x4, and I'm gonna build a much wider base for this thing than this guy, because this thing has a radius of maybe 7 inches. And the 2x4s that we're gonna go with have a radius of 15 inches, so they'll be a lot better than that. So stick around and I'll show you how I'm gonna do this. I have two 2x4s, so I cut two 30-inch long pieces. And then I also, for the block that's gonna be a little above or below this guy, you just cut off another, you know, call it 4-inch pieces like this. And now we've got a much bigger stance. And so what I'm gonna assemble this is I'm going to hammer the blocks onto this piece right here. Probably we need like 2 nails. And then I will hammer this piece into the base of the tree once I get a nice flush cut. I'm gonna use a chainsaw for that part. And then finally, I'm gonna hammer this piece of wood into this wood, which is already securing the tree. So just got this grinding cutting wheel and cut this guy. Now I have a bowl, and I'm going to do that with it, and then hammer this thing into the tree. And that is the finished product.